Can a straightforward term insurance plan like SBI Life, Saral, Jeevan, Bima be the smartest choice for a reliable financial protection for your family? Let us find out through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. So before analyzing this policy, let us first understand what is SBI Life Saral Jeevan Bima plan is about. So this is the individual non-linked, non-participating life insurance pure risk premium product. So some of the features of this policy are: you get security for your family with a standard term plan at an affordable cost, and you also get flexible premium payment options like single, regular or limited period of 5 or 10 years. And this is clear and easy to understand terms and conditions this policy has, and the tax benefits are available as per the Income Tax Act of 1961. Now let's take a look at the benefits. So there is no survival benefit or maturity benefit in this policy, only death benefit. On death of the policy holder during the policy term, so after the expiry of the waiting period like 45 days or due to an accident during the waiting period, the nominee or the beneficiary will receive the sum assured on death in lump sum. If as a policy holder you have chosen the regular or limited premium payment policy, then out of the three options like 10 times the annualized premium or 105% of all your premiums paid as on the date of death or absolute amount assured to be paid on death, out of these three options, whichever is highest in value, that will be given as a death benefit to the nominee or the beneficiary. So if you have chosen the single premium policies, then it will be any of these two options, whichever is higher. So either it would be 125% of the single premium or the absolute amount assured to be paid off death. Out of this, whichever is higher in value, it will be given as a death benefit to the policyholder's nominee or beneficiary. So these are some of the benefits which differs according to the premium payment term you have chosen. Now let's take a look at the advantages and disadvantages of this policy. So let's start with the advantage. It has straightforward features with no complexity, and you have budget-friendly premium for essential life coverage, and this policy might be ideal for individuals seeking pure term policy with a lower sum assured. Disadvantage could be there are no surrender benefits offered in this policy, loan facility is available under this policy, and the maximum sum assured is capped at 25 lakhs. So these might be some of the disadvantages of this policy. So now, as we have a basic understanding of this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we understand SBI Life Saral Jeevan Bima plan through a benefit illustration from the policy brochure. So this plan provides you with death benefits exclusively upon the policyholder's death with no maturity, survival benefit or profit bonuses attached. This makes it a straightforward pure term life insurance plan. For example, let us assume a 35-year-old male has chosen this policy with a sum assured of 20 lakhs, a policy term of 30 years, and an annual premium of 11,480 rupees. So if the policyholder passes away during the policy term, a sum assured of 20 lakhs will be paid to the nominee or beneficiary. No other benefits or bonuses are provided under the SBI Life Saral Jeevan Bima plan, as it is a strictly two-term policy. While this may seem limited to some, policies with premium return or profit participation typically require a higher premium for the same coverage. Choosing a pure term life insurance policy with sufficient coverage is essential, and this plan is an excellent option for those seeking a straightforward policy with a moderate sum assured. Now, which premium to choose, like single premium or limited premium or regular premium under this policy? Which one is better? When considering term insurance like SBI Life Saral Jeevan Bima plan, why go for a single premium or a limited period payment when regular premium paying term insurance could be the smarter choice? Because as you can see from the tabular column, single premium plan require a hefty upfront payment, limiting your financial flexibility. Limited period plan might seem convenient, but they come with higher premium, creating more financial pressure. So by choosing regular premium term insurance, you keep your payments manageable over time and free up funds for other uses. Also, instead of locking away a large amount with a single or limited premium, you can opt for regular premium, which are lower than the other two options, and invest the remaining money in options like mutual fund according to your risk tolerance, potentially earning better returns. So term insurance is about securing protection, not just making one big payment. So why not go for the option that offers steady coverage while leaving room for investments that can grow? So what is the final verdict on the SBI Life Saral Jeevan Bima plan? Is it worth investing or not? This is a standard term life insurance plan introduced by the IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, to provide essential life coverage with simplified terms. So, this plan aims to make life insurance accessible to a broader range of individuals, especially those without regular income documentation. And this plan also offers you with pure life cover with no savings or investment component, making it a straightforward option for affordable, no frill financial protection. So, opting for regular premium under this plan over single or limited premium option provides us with manageable payment, keeps our funds flexible, and allows for our investment in higher return options like mutual fund. So this plan provides a lump sum payout to the nominee if the policyholder passes away, which ensures the essential financial security. So a limitation of this policy might be its maximum sum assured, which is capped at 25 lakhs. But those needing higher coverage may explore other pure term policies available in the market. So as you can see, it is best to invest separately for life insurance and investment for your life's financial goals, as traditional policies often fall short for both insurance and investment purpose. So keeping insurance and investment distinct is generally advisable, and investing in this policy, especially if this is the coverage you want, might be more suitable for you and maybe worth investing.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.